Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a gorgeous 1971 Volkswagen VW Super Beetle Convertible. Painted in metallic purple. New convertible top, new boot. I have to tell you that this restoration is awesome. Unfortunately, the light in here does not allow the purple to stand out, but it does. It's not an offensive purple. It is a very nice purple paint job. That is for sure. As you can see, completely redone inside. Carpet, the seats, steering wheel. Even has heated seat. For crying out loud. I mean, this thing is awesome. It's a 1600 cc engine, 4-speed manual transmission. The convertible top is very easy to access and maneuver. Beautiful shiny paint. Purrs like a kitten. Inside you have a Kenwood stereo as well. Speakers in the front, speakers in the back. Once again, it has a new top as well, and it does have a glass window. There's your very clean 1600 cc engine. Beautiful running car, beautiful looking car, convertible for all seasons, and it's ready to go right now. Give us a call here at Cruisin Classics, and we'll be glad to help you out with any questions you have with this VW or any others that we have in stock. Go to our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out detailed information about this car and all the others that we have in stock as well. Very cool 1971 Super Beetle Convertible. Ready for the road right now. Take advantage. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.